Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need to stop heat generation right now. Hold the power button until the console fully shuts off. This prevents thermal runaway. Once done, unplug the power cable and any external drives or controllers so no residual power or load remains. Make sure to place the Xbox on a hard, flat surface with 6 to 12 inches of clearance around vents. Soft surfaces trap heat. These immediate steps cut temperatures fast and prepare the console for safe internal access and cleaning. Next, you must remove the dust that blocks airflow and impairs the fan. Use compressed air in short 1 to 2 second bursts angled across vents. Do not spin the fan freely. Carefully blow through intake and exhaust grills and around the visible fan area until dust clears. Once clean, re-evaluate placement. Set the console vertically if supported, avoid enclosed cabinets, and leave at least 6 inches of open space. These actions restore airflow and let the cooling system work as designed. For persistent overheating, you must address heat transfer and diagnostics. If your Xbox is older than 3 years or idle temps exceed about 80 degrees C, replace the thermal paste between the APU/GPU and heatsink. This restores conduction. Monitor temps with the Xbox app during gameplay or use an IR thermometer to check surface hotspots. Once done, test under load. If temperatures remain high, make sure to contact warranty service or a professional repair shop, because failing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.